Depuis ta main.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Ihsan Maulana. I'm from class 12 MIPA 5, and in this video I will teach you to download Korean dramas or Drakors. First steps, you must connection your internet. If the internet is connection, is have a local Wi-Fi in there, and the second steps, you must connection your browser. I usually use a Google Chrome. Wait until the connection. And the third step, please be attention, in this step you must to follow my type words. Okay, one is type download, two word and Drakor, three please type or write your names Drakors. I have example is Drakor snowdrop. You know snowdrop is Drakor first Jisoo Blackpink is in weekends is the end. And don't forget to word or type sub Indo because your country is Indonesian and enter. Please be attention. This I have a trick because HTTPS Ayu Semarang is fake akun, fake link. Please don't open this. You maybe have been cheated about a person there, bad person. This fake link and macam penilaian is bad link and HTTPS dra. Please remember dra is good link because drama and Ratu Drakor is good link and kabar satu is bad link is fake link and other ways and up down always remember dra. And next, by the way, this have many advertise. Please close this okay, this snowdrop, this Jisoo and Jonghae, and you have to down. And this episode 1 you have many choice to download. Episode 1 if have a 350 pixel or 40 pixel or 700 or 1000 pixel. I usually download is 300 pixel. And please CP share because CP share is easy, simple and practice. Click CP share, link CP share and wait until this loading and please click is download now. Click and close, click and close, and you see this have a download on process. SD Snowdrop episode 1 Indonesian 360 pixel MP4 and click Ctrl G. You have to see you download process. Okay, wait after their download and your download video is maybe in here downloads. Okay, maybe I can have many download and see this video. This result of the download from CPCR. Nice. Snowdrop. Okay, thank you. Happy watching. Maybe my learns or procedure is nice. Thank you. Promise or forget my mistake and bye bye.